it is my pleasure to introduce the Galaxy Note 10.
The Note experience has always started with a screen. And now, for the first time, people who've always wanted the power of the Note on a smaller device will be able to experience it too. We've packed all the power and productivity of the Note into 2 different sizes, so you can choose the one that's right for you. It's the narrowest Note we've ever made. And for those die-hard Note fans, the Note 10 Plus comes with the biggest screen ever on a Note. Both devices are impossibly thin, at less than 8 millimeters. The Note 10's dynamic AMOLED display is brilliant and utterly immersive. And it gives off less blue light to maximize your eye comfort without sacrificing color. We designed the Note 10 to give you more screen with less interruptions. In fact, the front of the phone has virtually no bezels, giving it the highest screen-to-window ratio ever on a Note. To make room for all that screen, we made the camera cutout smaller, and we centered it at the top of the Infinity O display. At the bottom, we built an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor right beneath the glass. When it comes to color, we've designed some amazing new options. No matter which Note you choose, there'll be a perfect color for you, including the one-of-a-kind Aura Glow, which creates iridescent colors by refracting light. Since the very first Galaxy Note, users have always recognized that the S Pen is more than just a simple tool. And we've made Samsung Notes better than ever. Once you've got your thoughts on the page, you can zoom in and out and highlight, so it's easy to mark up your notes exactly the way you want. And here's my favorite part. Now, handwritten notes don't have to stay on your phone or tablet. You can convert your handwriting into text easier than ever, so you can save your notes as text files, PDFs, or Word documents. It can even understand multiple languages. Of course, the S Pen is much more than just a writing tool. It's a creativity and productivity tool, too. This year, we're building on that foundation by giving the S Pen a new 6-axis motion sensor, including an accelerometer and a gyro sensor. By detecting the direction and acceleration of your movements, the S Pen lets you control your device with simple gestures. And it can be used to control other apps, too. With the Note 10, you get an end-to-end video experience, from the picture quality to the sound to the editing. You know our live focus feature, the one that allows you to control the bokeh or background blur to get some really amazing looking photos? Well, with Note 10, you can apply bokeh to your videos too. Now the Note 10 lets you zoom in on sounds. So as you zoom in, both the image and the sounds come into focus. Super Steady puts an action camera in your smartphone. We trained the Note 10 with over 1 million frames of footage so it can predict camera movements for different scenes. Filmmaking isn't just about capturing awesome video and audio. That's why we put an entire editing suite right on the Note 10. And if you choose a Note 10 Plus, you'll get access to another AR experience that'll bring a whole new dimension to your creativity and productivity through our depth vision camera. This camera is unlike anything we've ever put on a Note. Together with a wide-angle lens, it specializes in measuring depth of field.
The Note 10 delivers a truly epic experience. Our intelligent game booster actually analyzes your gaming pattern and optimizes its performance just for you. And to add more, the Note 10 has a vapor chamber that cools your phone down even when the game is heating up. Now, for the first time, you can voice chat with your squad and check their mobile game status directly through the Samsung Game Launcher with Discord. The Note 10 is incredibly powerful. It has a super fast processor and smooth high-res graphics. And with the biggest and the smartest battery we've ever put onto a Note, we've built to last all day. The Note 10 supports fast wireless charging 2.0. And for the first time, the Note 10 Plus also supports super fast wired charging up to 45 watts. Samsung is leading the way in 5G. And now we're bringing that power to the Note with the Note 10 Plus 5G. Knox is built into the S10 and anchored directly to the chipset to make sure the only person who can access your phone is you.
Today, I'm really happy to announce that DeX now works on your laptop as well, both PC and Mac. All you need is a simple USB-C cable. We're excited to announce a major new partnership with our good friends at Microsoft.
With the Note 10, we worked with Samsung to integrate the Link to Windows button right in the Quick panel. And once you're linked, you will have access to your most recent texts, notifications, pictures, and much more from inside your Phone app. I'm really excited to announce that later this year, we will be enabling you to make and receive calls as well directly from your PC.
Whether you choose the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus, your device will unlock a world of possibilities. The Note 10 will be available starting at $949. The Note 10 Plus starting at $1,099. And you can get yours on August 23rd. Pre-orders begin tomorrow. And for the first time, you can even pre-order yours from the Microsoft Store.
Please enjoy the showcase. Thank you. Thank you.